with crowd intelligence, we take creativity as the first priority, building an understanding team to challenging the limit and explore new technology. With a united force, we choose sincerity as the baseline, exerting our professionalism to offer quality products to the world. From self-independent to keep striving for excellence. From high-end manufacturing to industrial intelligence. From Chinese products to Chinese brands. Every step is made possible by Shaanxi robot people's expertise and creativity. A rigorous and precise manufacturing service is guaranteed for the automotive, electrocommunication, medical, instrument and apparatus, and precision mold industries and other silver industries. Behind an atmosphere of calm and order, everyone holds fast to his own position, day and night. A promise that has been kept for 20 years. From Xi'an Kitamura to Shaanxi Robot is the strict persistence for over 7,200 days. It is Macrometer that gives us confidence to talk to the world. We'll always keep pace with the times, stick to our dreams, and hold on straight to the